When was the last time you had some Jamaican style carrot punch? Yes, the real Jamaican style carrot punch. I was just in the mood for something nice. I know it's cold outside. Yes, it's in this winter storm. But I felt like I needed something nice. I couldn't figure out what it was, but I realized I may have some carrots in the fridge. So I, peel them, cut them up, wash them, and I'm gonna put it to boil with some cinnamon sticks in it. Yes, I'm gonna boil the carrot because this is a different version of drinking carrot juice. We call it carrot punch. If you've had this before, let me know in the comments. If you boil your carrots for your carrot punch, also let me know in the comment. Now, after boiling it, I let it cool down. Yes, before I blend it up, I use Suffragan condensed milk, vanilla, nutmeg, and what else did I put in it? And I'm going to sweeten to taste. Add whatever else you want to add to yours. But, these are the things I add in mine. Taste it and make sure so it's sweetened to my liking, and just pour this over a glass of ice. And this was the thing that I needed. Just a little boost. Let me know if you'll be trying this carrot punch drink in the comments.